In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Squarespace subscription products. If you want to offer recurring purchases, like a monthly membership, a digital resource library, or a curated box, Squarespace makes it straightforward once you know exactly where to click and what each setting means. Start by opening your site dashboard and looking to the left-hand sidebar. Click Products and Services. This is your central hub for anything you sell through your site. From there, select Products. That takes you to the product catalog where all of your items will live, including one-time purchases and subscriptions. Next, click Add Product at the top right. This opens the product creation mode, which is where you'll set up all the essential details. Right away, Squarespace asks you to choose a product type. Pick whichever type fits your offer, such as physical goods, digital downloads, services, or memberships. This choice shapes how the product is presented to shoppers. Things like whether shipping options appear for physical items or download delivery appears for digital. But it doesn't change how the subscription itself bills. Choose the type that best reflects what customers receive with each billing cycle. With the product type selected, stay in the product creation mode and look for the subscription section. This is where the recurring magic happens. In this panel, set your price, the amount customers will be charged each period, and then choose the billing frequency. Common choices include weekly, monthly, or yearly. Match the frequency to the rhythm of your offering. For example, a coaching program might be monthly, while an annual membership could be yearly. The key is to make the cadence crystal clear to your customers so they know exactly when they'll be billed. Keep in mind that the currency shown here follows your store's commerce settings, and the price you enter is what your customers agree to at checkout for each renewal. Squarespace handles the recurring charges automatically according to the schedule you choose, and customers will see the subscription terms during checkout so there are no surprises. That's really all there is to it. Open Products and Services, go to Products, click Add Product, choose the product type that fits your offer, then use the subscription section to set the price and frequency. Once those are in place, your product is ready to function as a subscription, and Squarespace will take care of the ongoing billing on your chosen timeline. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building out your subscription offerings with confidence.